Okay, let's talk about cleaning your CraftOptics. So sometimes people will uh, take any kind of cleaning cloth. Now we provide one with them when you order CraftOptics, but you can use any one. I use actually a little bit bigger one. You don't want to dry clean them, okay, like this. You want to make sure that you've got some kind of lens spray. You can spray them all over, okay, and just clean them once they've been wet down a little bit. Make sure you clean that nose pad, all right, really well as well, because that gets like makeup, things like that on it, and then it becomes a little bit slippery. So you can clean the optics this way. The other thing is make sure you clean the eyepieces here, okay? Because sometimes when people flip these up, they put their thumb on it, and actually, if this is dirty, if these the eyepieces are dirty, it actually affects your vision. If you have a little smudge or something on the exterior, it doesn't really bother your vision so much, but this is really critical to keep clean. So that's how you do it. Make sure that you're using some kind of a lens spray. You can spray them all over. Don't have to worry about that. They won't leak. And then just wipe them down. One other tip is to make sure you just put your CraftOptics in the case when you're done using them. And here's how you do that. Sometimes people have trouble with this. Just fold it up. Here's the case. Set it in right side up, just like that. Then you can just wrap the wire up and put it in, close the case. Okay, that's real simple. Some people, like me, I will actually hang my set of glasses on a hook, and that's an easy way to also to keep them out of the way. So, comes with a lanyard. Just, sorry, I didn't have that already attached, and you can just take it and hang it wherever you have a hook in your work area. Just be careful not to put them, lens down and clunk them on the table, clunk them on your workbench. Try not to be so rough with them. They last a long time, but why push it?